Hello teacher, today I will talk about my last summer holiday. Last summer I went to Da Nang. It's a beautiful city central Vietnam, famous for its beach and mountains. I went there with my family, my parents and my younger sister. We traveled by plane because it is fast and convenient. We stayed in a hotel near the beach, which were very comfortable and a nice view. We spent 5 days there. Every day we went swimming, visited famous places like Banana Hill and Mike Beach, and eat delicious local food. I feel really happy and relaxed because I had time to enjoy nature and be with my family. It was one of the best holidays I have ever had. Thanks.